welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shweta, also known as Fairy Folk. I make travel, food and life related content here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. So subscribe here and follow me there. So it's the day before Christmas and guess where I'm going? It's to Pondicherry. Because A, it's very close to Chennai and B, it's beautiful. So let's go.
The distance between Pondicherry and Chennai is approximately 170 km. You can take roadways or railways to reach the destination, but remember it takes much longer time if you choose to go by train. So the average time to reach Pondicherry by car or bus is 3 to 3.5 hours.
So on the way to Pondi, we witnessed beautiful sunrise and the roads are so beautiful and it's so foggy. The climate is very good. It's so chill outside. Very pretty. So I was feeling super hungry and I thought I'll just grab a quick bite. We are at this Unique Juice and Cafe. I ordered some coffee for myself and bread omelette which is coming. So cheers! Very pretty. So we have a lot of time for us to check into the hotel, so we just thought we'll come here. Right now I'm at Bharti Park, which is very close to Rock Beach. We're chilling here for some time. The place is so freaking hot.
For breakfast, we came here to Coromandel Cafe, which is located in White Town. They have indoor, outdoor, and like a tropical garden themed seating area. The time we reached was already 12 pm, but I was not in the mood to have a heavy meal, so I went with a light breakfast.
I'm at Lee Velo Walks to have lunch and also I'm going to meet one of the food vloggers from Pondicherry. I'll just quickly introduce him to you. Hi guys, so meet Mr. Vijay. I was telling about him, so he has an amazing feed. You should definitely check it out. I'll leave his link down in the description box. Go check it out.
Lee Velo Box, a multi-cuisine restaurant which again is located in White Town, Pondicherry, has different themes in each floor. They have tables for large groups as well, so this is one of the nicest places to hang out with friends. This is a container converted into a restaurant. On that note, there is a nice and interesting place which I am going to show you guys in the next part. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So coming back, they have a variety of veg and non-veg dishes which you can try. When you are in Pondicherry, you should never miss street shopping. They have a quite few lanes for clothing. From Indian to Western, you can find everything here. Street shopping is more like an experience, so go try out. It's the Christmas Eve and we are at Our Lady of Angels Church, locally called as Duma Church. Due to the fact that it is located in White Town surrounded by French-style buildings makes us feel like we are in Paris. The place looks extremely serene and decorated with all the Christmas decors like lights, bells. It looks amazing. Pondicherry always amuses me with the fact that how beautifully two different cultures can coexist. If you want to experience it, walk down the streets, you'll find vintage Indian homes and beautifully painted French colonies, busy roads and breezy roads, fancy boutiques and street markets, temples and churches. Aside from food to people, Pondicherry shows their cultural coexistence. Tell me down in the comment section how you liked the video and tell me about your experiences in Pondicherry. Also, there is another part coming up next week, so stay tuned for it. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.